The Leigh Isoloc templates are a game changer for woodworkers who want their joints to stand out, not just functionally, but artistically. This system includes 3 precision milled templates, each offering 2 distinct patterns, giving you a total of 6 unique joinery options. These aren't your typical straight-edge joints. They're flowing, organic designs that bring an artistic, handcrafted feel to any woodworking project. Switching between templates takes less than a minute, allowing you to experiment with different styles without interrupting your workflow. With a standard 8mm or 0.31 inches router bit and a compatible jig, you can start creating through joints, half-blind joints, and end-on-end joints with ease. Every cut is guided by CNC machining, delivering pinpoint precision, accurate to 0.01mm or 0.0004 inches, so your joints come out clean, consistent, and professional. These templates are especially useful for custom furniture, cabinets, and any build where decorative joinery can make a lasting impression. Priced at $340, the kit offers serious value for woodworkers looking to elevate their craft. It's a smart investment for anyone who wants their joinery to stand out, not just functionally, but visually. Can a cordless circular saw really match the power of a corded one? The Milwaukee M18 fuel circular saw proves that it can, and then some. At the heart of this tool is a brushless power state motor that maintains a cutting speed of 6,300 revolutions per minute. Even under heavy workloads, that level of performance makes it ideal for ripping sheets, framing lumber, or cutting through dense materials with minimal slowdown. The saw features RedLink Plus intelligence, Milwaukee's advanced electronic system that prevents overheating, overload, and motor burnout, extending the tool's lifespan and maintaining optimal performance. A single battery can deliver up to 700 cuts per charge, giving most users enough runtime to last an entire workday without interruption. The built-in electric brake stops the blade instantly after release, improving job site safety and saving time between cuts. An integrated LED work light clearly illuminates your cutting line, helping ensure precision in low light conditions. This high-performance cordless saw is priced at $398, and it offers true corded power and a mobile job site ready package. No compromises. The Wolfcraft Japanese Saw offers the convenience of 2 tools in one compact design. Its double-edged blade is engineered for versatility. One side features 17 fine teeth per inch, or about 17 teeth per 2.54 centimeters, designed for smooth crosscuts, while the opposite edge has 8 larger teeth per inch, or 8 per 2.54 centimeters, optimized for fast rip cuts along the grain. The blade itself is remarkably flexible, allowing you to reach cutting angles and tight spaces that our standard Western-style saws simply cannot manage. This makes it especially useful for trimming baseboards, flush against walls, cutting branches in awkward positions, or slicing through plastic pipes during installation or repair. Another clever detail is the tool-free handle system. With a simple release, the handle detaches from the blade, making it easy to store the saw neatly in a drawer or toolbox without taking up unnecessary space. Lightweight, sharp, and easy to handle, this saw is a favorite among woodworkers, DIY enthusiasts, and even homeowners looking for an all-purpose cutting tool. At just $38, it's an affordable addition to any toolkit. Would you use this as your go-to saw for both woodworking and home projects? The Arbortech Turbo Shaft is a specialized milling attachment, designed for woodworkers and carvers who demand precision in tight, hard-to-reach areas. Compact yet powerful, it's ideal for creating deep grooves, intricate channels, and detailed patterns that would be difficult to achieve with larger tools. Its carbide cutting blades are engineered for durability, and they're cleverly designed to rotate when one edge begins to dull. Simply turn the blade to a fresh cutting surface. This not only saves time but also reduces the frequency and cost of replacements. An adjustable depth limiter ensures accuracy by preventing you from cutting deeper than intended. This control is especially useful for carving repeatable patterns or working on delicate materials. Here's the question: how often do you find yourself avoiding fine carving work because your tools can't reach into those difficult spots? The Turbo Shaft solves that exact problem. The tool also incorporates safe blade technology, which eliminates dangerous kickback and allows you to work confidently, even on demanding cuts. At $120, the shaft delivers professional-grade carving performance in a compact form, making it a smart addition to any serious woodworker's toolkit. How do you know if your wood is ready to use, or if you're still holding too much moisture? The Tesman TWM 186 Moisture Meter provides the answer instantly, combining compact design with lab-level precision. Shaped much like a thick pen, this handheld device is incredibly easy to use. Simply press its two sharp probes into the material, and the digital screen immediately displays the moisture percentage, from 0% up to 58%. That range covers everything from kiln-dried lumber to freshly cut greenwood. The tool offers 7 built-in modes, making it versatile enough to test different materials. Not only common hardwoods, like oak and walnut, but also plaster, drywall, and even some softwoods. For a quick reference, the backlit display changes color depending on the reading. Green indicates dry, orange signals a normal level, and red warns that the material is wet. This system makes it nearly impossible to misread your results, even in dim lighting. Lightweight, accurate, and pocket-sized, the tool is an invaluable tool for anyone working with wood or construction materials. And at just $17, it delivers professional-level precision at an entry-level price. The Wolfcraft DSP Drawer Storage System is a clever hybrid that combines the precision of a protractor with the practicality of a miter box, giving you 2 essential tools in one. It is designed specifically for tasks like installing baseboards, where precise angles make all the difference between a professional finish and a frustrating gap. The system measures any angle from 85 degrees up to 180 degrees, then automatically bisects it. This means you get a perfectly accurate cutting guide every time, even in irregular corners. To improve cutting accuracy, built-in guide rails hold your saw steady, as if it were running on tracks, ensuring smooth and consistent cuts without wandering off the line. The system can handle a maximum cutting height of 70 millimeters or 2.75 inches, which covers the vast majority of standard baseboards. German engineering ensures durability and accuracy, and at just $40, it offers impressive value for anyone looking to achieve perfect trim work with less effort. This tool saves time, reduces mistakes, and delivers precision that's hard to match by eye alone. Wouldn't it be easier if every baseboard you cut fit flawlessly the first time? What makes a hand tool stand out as both a work of art and a piece of precision engineering? The Lavoy No. 43 Plow Plane answers that question beautifully. Crafted with a stainless steel housing, the body of the plane is CNC machined for exactness, ensuring every component aligns with near-perfect accuracy. This attention to detail allows woodworkers to cut grooves with remarkable consistency, ranging from 3mm or 0.12 inches to 12mm or 0.47 inches in width, and up to 13mm or 0.51 inches in depth. The tool is anchored by a rosewood stop that is more than decorative. Its rich, polished surface provides strength, stability, and control, keeping the plane steady during use. Equipped with T10 steel blades hardened to an impressive 60 to 64 HRC, the cutting edge maintains its sharpness for months of regular use. This durability reduces the need for constant sharpening, allowing woodworkers to focus more on their craft and less on tool maintenance. Priced at $200, the Lavoy No. 43 Plow Plane is as functional as it is elegant. It's a tool that merges precision, durability, and beauty in one refined package. The Qualic mini circular saw may be compact enough to fit in the palm of your hand, but it delivers the performance of a full-size model. Designed for convenience without sacrificing power, it's ideal for anyone working in small spaces or lightweight projects. Powered by a 4-amp motor, the saw spins its blade at 3,500 revolutions per minute, giving you the speed needed for clean, accurate cuts. The adjustable cutting depth reaches up to 43 millimeters or 1.69 inches, making it versatile enough for tasks like trimming plywood, laminate, or small boards. Here's the question: how often do you wish for the power of a standard circular saw, but in a tool you can actually maneuver with one hand? That's exactly where this mini saw shines. For added precision, it includes a laser cutting guide. Simply align the red beam along your cut line, and you can work with confidence and accuracy. The kit also comes with 2 carbide tooth blades for durability and a vacuum adapter, which directs sawdust straight into a collection bag to keep your workspace clean. At just $23, the mini saw is a surprisingly powerful solution in a very small package. What if you could build a deck with the strength of a traditional fastening, but without a circular screw visible on the surface? The trend-concealed screw deck jig makes that possible, combining professional-grade engineering with user-friendly design. This system uses angle guides set at 50 degrees, driving the screws in from the sides rather than the top. The result is a strong, secure deck surface with no exposed fasteners, just clean, uninterrupted wood grain. To improve durability outdoors, the jig also integrates built-in spacers. This automatically creates constant gaps between boards, allowing proper water drainage and air circulation, which helps prevent warping and extends the life of the deck. It can handle boards ranging from 9 centimeters or 3.5 inches up to 15 centimeters or 5.9 inches in thickness, giving it the versatility to work with a variety of decking materials. For added convenience, the drill can be stored directly in the jig's housing, keeping it within reach at all times and reducing downtime on the job site. Priced at $70, the jig delivers a flawless finish, professional strength, and practical efficiency in one well-designed package. The Batavia Nexaw Ultra is often described as the Swiss Army knife of power saws, compact, versatile, and built for both precision and reach. Designed for one-handed operation, it's the kind of tool that makes light work of everything from pruning branches to tackling small construction tasks. Its standout feature is the adjustable cutting head, which rotates from 0 degrees up to 32 degrees. This allows you to approach cuts at virtually any angle, giving you control and flexibility in tight or awkward spaces. To keep performance consistent, the saw includes a built-in oil pump that automatically lubricates the chain during use. This not only reduces friction, but also significantly extends the life of the chain and bar. Here's the question: how often do you wish for a lightweight saw that could handle overhead branches without dragging out a bulky chainsaw? With the Nexaw Ultra and its telescopic extension bar, you can reach heights of up to 3 meters or 9.8 feet safely and efficiently. Running on a max pack battery system, it integrates seamlessly with other Batavia tools. The basic version is priced at $126, offering impressive performance in a small, versatile package. How do you hold your work steady when sanding, painting, or gluing without damaging the surface? The Craig multi-purpose project blocks are designed to solve that exact problem, giving you reliable support across a wide range of tasks. This set includes 4 hexagon-shaped blocks, each designed with stability in mind. Their 6-sided geometry prevents unwanted sliding, while the blocks themselves are strong enough to support up to 200 kilograms or 440 pounds each. That level of strength makes them suitable for both small crafts and heavy-duty projects. The blocks stand at a height of 38 millimeters or 1.49 inches, which aligns perfectly with most standard bar clamps. This makes it easy to integrate them into your existing workflow without adjustment. Each block features GripMax anti-slip coating, which adheres to surfaces, almost like a suction cup, keeping your material secure even under pressure. For finishing tasks, they include pop-up painting points that minimize surface contact, allowing you to paint or apply finishes without smudging or sticking. priced at $30, combining strength, versatility, and thoughtful design, making them an affordable upgrade for any workshop. The Stair Treads Gauge template tool takes the frustration out of one of the trickiest carpentry jobs, measuring and fitting stair treads. Constructed from aerospace-grade stainless steel, the tool is both tough and highly precise. To use it, simply place the gauge between the walls where the tread will sit, extend it to the exact width, and lock it in place with the 4 built-in screws. Within seconds, you have a perfect template ready for transferring onto your workpiece. The tool is finished with an anodized coating that resists both moisture and heat, ensuring long-lasting durability even in demanding workshop conditions. Its versatility goes beyond staircases. It's equally useful for risers, shelving, and other projects that require exact fitting between fixed surfaces. Here's the question. How many hours have you lost trimming and retrimming stair treads that never quite fit? With this gauge, those frustrations become a thing of the past. Priced at $45, this simple yet effective tool pays for itself quickly and saves time, reduced errors, and consistently professional results. It's a must-have for carpenters, contractors, or DIYers looking to simplify precision joinery. What if you could carve a perfect bowl or spoon in seconds instead of hours? The Arbortech ball gouge makes that possible, combining speed, control, and safety in one compact tool. The gouge features a 30mm or 1.18-inch diameter cutting ball, designed to hollow out smooth, concave surfaces with minimal effort. Whether you're shaping bowls, spoons, or adding textures to sculptural work, this tool makes the process fast and efficient. Its self-sharpening circular blade is a standout feature. As you carve, the blade continuously hones its edge, meaning it stays sharp without extra maintenance. When needed, the blade can also be rotated or replaced, extending the tool's working life. Safety is addressed with anti-grab technology, which prevents the blade from digging in too aggressively into the wood. This ensures smooth control, even for beginners who might otherwise risk ruining a project. The ball gouge attaches to standard angle grinders with a 15.8mm or 0.62-inch shaft and is rated for speeds up to 12,000 revolutions per minute, or about 200 revolutions per second. Priced at $130, a must-have for carvers who want both precision and speed. What if changing a scroll saw blade was as simple as flipping a lever? The Jet 22-inch scroll saw solves one of the most frustrating problems in fine woodworking: slow, awkward blade changes. Thanks to its top-mounted mechanism, the saw clamps and tensions the blade in one motion. No tools, no fiddling, no wasted time. This feature alone makes it stand out for hobbyists and professionals alike. The saw's pivoting arm tilts 45 degrees left or right, while the cast iron table stays perfectly level. This design ensures precise, angled cuts without sacrificing control. Speaking of the table, its surface is roughly the size of a small laptop desk, giving you plenty of workspace while the cast iron construction absorbs vibration for smooth operation. A foot pedal control system frees up your hands, letting you guide the wood with sculptor-like precision. This makes detailed, curved, and intricate cuts much easier compared to traditional setups. With its 22-inch or 55.8cm throat capacity, the saw can handle large projects while still excelling in fine, detailed work. Durable, accurate, and easy to use, the saw is a serious upgrade for any workshop. The Metabo HPT 18V Brad Nailer eliminates the need for noisy compressors and tangled air hoses, giving woodworkers and contractors complete cordless freedom. Powered by a mechanical spring drive system, this nailer delivers the same punch as a pneumatic gun, but without the added setup or maintenance. It easily drives nails up to 50mm or 2 inches in length, with reliable force and clean results. On a single charge of its 2 amp-hour battery, the tool can fire up to 700 nails, more than enough to cover a full day's work for most users. At a weight of just 2.5 kilograms or 5.5 pounds, it balances power with portability, reducing fatigue during long sessions. Here's the question. How much faster could you work if you never had to drag around an air hose or wait for a compressor to recharge? Additional features include a built-in LED work light for visibility in low light conditions and a tool-free depth adjustment system, which makes switching between materials quick and simple. Priced at $120, a cordless solution that delivers both convenience and performance in one compact package. The Kreg inline clamp is a versatile addition to any workbench, designed to hold materials firmly and securely while keeping your hands free to work. Its clever design allows the clamp head to rotate a full 360 degrees, making it adaptable for securing pieces at virtually any angle. With a maximum opening of 120 millimeters or 4.72 inches, it grips a wide range of material sizes with ease. Here's the question. How often do you struggle to keep a piece steady while working on awkward corners or angled joints? This clamp solves that issue with its unique notched clamping surface, specially shaped to hold moldings and corner pieces without slipping. The clamp shank fits into standard 20mm or .78-inch workbench dog holes, ensuring compatibility with most professional and DIY workbenches. Despite its compact form, it can hold up to 111 kilograms or 245 pounds, which is about the same as supporting the weight of a full-grown adult. At $35, it provides strength, adaptability, and precision, making it an affordable yet indispensable tool for woodworkers of every level. Have you ever tried carrying a full sheet of plywood by yourself? It's awkward, heavy, and often feels like a two-person job. The Kreg panel carrier changes all of that, making it possible for one person to move sheet goods with ease. Designed for 1.2 meter by 2.4 meter sheets, or 4 feet by 8 feet. This carrier supports weights up to 45 kilograms or 99 pounds. That's more than enough for standard plywood, MDF, drywall, or other sheet materials commonly used in woodworking and construction. The system relies on large Grip Max coating pads that automatically adjust to material thicknesses up to 19 millimeters or 0.75 inches. This ensures a secure hold without slipping, no matter the board type. The handle is ergonomically designed with thick padding, preventing strain on your hands even when carrying heavy loads. The engineering is clever. The more weight you lift, the tighter the grip becomes, turning physics into an advantage. At its core, it's about safety, comfort, and efficiency. If you work with sheet goods regularly, this simple but powerful tool can save time, reduce fatigue, and make solo work far more manageable. The PowerTech aluminum pocket hole jig set makes it possible for anyone to drill clean, professional-grade pocket holes with ease. Built from durable aluminum, it's designed to withstand years of heavy workshop use while delivering consistent accuracy. The jig features a built-in dust port that connects directly to a vacuum, instantly removing shavings and keeping your work area clean. The engraved measurement scales are permanently etched into the aluminum, ensuring they remain visible even after a decade of regular use. Here's the question. How often do you find yourself wasting time on messy setups or misaligned holes? With the PowerTech jig, those frustrations are eliminated. The system includes a removable base, which allows the jig to function as both a fixed workstation and a portable drilling guide. 4 separate drilling ports give you flexibility for different joinery needs, whether you're building furniture, cabinets, or custom projects. The kit also comes complete with essential accessories, including drill bits, stoppers, and even 50 starter screws, so you can begin using it right out of the box. Priced at $80, it's an investment that pays off in speed, accuracy, and reliability. What if one compact tool could replace 4 different measuring and marking devices? The Saker 4-in-1 drilling positioning ruler is designed to do exactly that, saving both time and space in the workshop. This innovative tool functions as a ruler, square, level, and template all in one. Its core feature is the set of 3 adjustable blocks, which allow precise marking of drilling positions for consistent results across multiple pieces. To ensure perfect alignment, the ruler includes dual-access bubble levels, which display both horizontal and vertical orientation at the same time. This eliminates guesswork when setting up for drilling or assembly. The tool itself is made from aerospace-grade aluminum with permanent UV printed markings that resist fading, even after years of use. The ABS plastic handles rotate smoothly, with a feel often compared to the crown of a luxury watch, providing both precision and comfort. Compact yet versatile, the 4-in-1 ruler is a problem solver for woodworking, cabinetry, and DIY projects alike. At just $30, it delivers professional accuracy in a single streamlined package. This is one of those tools that proves how good design can make everyday work dramatically easier. The Micro Jig grr-rip block is widely recognized as one of the best blocks on the market, offering woodworkers safety, control, and versatility in a simple but clever design. At its core are the smart hooks, which automatically drop down when they reach the end of the board to hold it securely. When the block is repositioned to the middle of the board, the hooks retract on their own, allowing for smooth, uninterrupted movement. This feature uses gravity to the user's advantage, making it both intuitive and reliable. The block surface is coated with green grip material, engineered to grip wood like glue without leaving marks. Unlike standard rubber pads that wear down quickly, this coating is designed for long-lasting performance even under heavy use. Here's the question: how much safer and more precise would your cuts be if you had a push block that accurately worked with you instead of against you? It can also be rotated 90 degrees for vertical use on a router table, giving it extra versatility. At $29, it's an affordable upgrade that enhances both safety and accuracy in any woodworking shop. What if you could install a brand new door lock in just minutes without hiring a professional? The Milescraft LockMate Plus makes that possible with a clever all-in-one installation kit. The device is designed to clamp directly onto a door without the need for screws, making setup quick and simple. Once secured, it guides the drilling process with precision, ensuring your lock set and latch align perfectly every time. The kit comes with cobalt hole saws, tough enough to cut through both wood and metal doors, whether they're hollow core or solid core. This versatility means you can use it in everything from lightweight interior doors to heavy-duty exterior ones. The system also includes metal guide bushings, which resist wear even after years of repeated use. Unlike plastic guides, these won't deform or lose accuracy, guaranteeing consistent results over the long term. Compatible with standard door thicknesses and backsets, it includes a locator feature that positions both the handle and latch with exact spacing, eliminating guesswork. Affordable and efficient, this kit gives DIYers and professionals alike the ability to install locks with speed and confidence, all while saving time and money. The Shopfox D3347 cam clamp delivers the gripping force of industrial pliers in a compact, hand-sized tool. Weighing just 250 grams or 0.55 pounds, it's lightweight but surprisingly powerful. At the heart of its design is a hardened steel cam mechanism. With just a simple turn of the handle, the cam multiplies your force, applying tremendous clamping pressure with minimal effort. This makes it ideal for woodworking, light metalworking, or any task that requires secure hands-free holding power. Here's the question: how often do you need strong clamping force but don't want to wrestle with bulky bar clamps or vises? That's exactly where this tool shines. The clamp also features a magnetic base that allows it to attach instantly to any steel surface, giving you flexibility when working on metal projects. Its protective black coating resists corrosion, ensuring a long surface life even in tough shop conditions. Despite its small size, it's a professional-grade tool that punches far above its weight. At just $21, it's a low-cost addition that delivers industrial-level performance in a portable, easy-to-use form. What makes a tool so useful and reliable that a company renames itself after it? The answer is the Allway Handy Saw, a compact cutting tool with a history dating back to 1935. For nearly a century, it has been a staple in toolboxes, thanks to its versatility and practicality. The saw features a pistol-style grip, designed to fit comfortably in your hand, providing excellent control, even during tricky cuts. Its blade locking mechanism engages automatically and allows the blade to be secured in 4 different positions. This flexibility means it can reach into spaces where standard saws simply cannot operate. The handy saw comes with 2 interchangeable blades, one optimized for wood and the other for metal, making it suitable for a wide variety of tasks around the home or workshop. Despite its durability, it is remarkably lightweight, weighing just 90 grams or 0.19 pounds, about the same as an average smartphone. Priced at only $7, the saw is proof that a tool doesn't need to be expensive to be incredibly useful. Sometimes the simplest designs last the longest, and this saw has been proving that point for nearly 90 years. The Lavoy dowel-making jig is a compact cube with a powerful purpose, creating perfectly round dowels from square stock, machined with 8 precision holes. The jig allows you to produce dowels in both metric and imperial sizes, giving you flexibility for any project standard. To use it, insert a square piece of wood, secure your drill, and spin the cutter at 10,000 to 20,000 revolutions per minute, or 167 to 333 revolutions per second. Within moments, a smooth, accurate dowel emerges, ready for use in joinery or furniture making. The jig is fitted with tungsten carbide blades, renowned for their durability. With a hardness rating suitable for heavy-duty applications, these blades can cut through dense hardwoods like oak for years before requiring sharpening. That means less maintenance and more consistent performance in the workshop. Compact in size and straightforward to use, the jig eliminates the need to buy pre-made dowels, giving woodworkers control over dimensions, grain alignment, and quality. At $68, it's an investment that quickly pays for itself in flexibility and cost savings. Wouldn't it be better to make your own dowels on demand, perfectly matched to your project, rather than settling for off-the-shelf stock? The Lexivon aluminum miter saw protractor is built with the same precision and strength you'd expect from aerospace engineering, machined from 6mm or 0.23-inch aircraft-grade aluminum. It is designed to last a lifetime in any workshop or job site. The protractor features laser-engraved scales that will never fade, no matter how often it's used. Its fine friction locking system holds your chosen angle firmly in place, almost as if it were glued there, ensuring reliable transfers without slipping. Inside, a hidden O-ring mechanism delivers smooth, controlled rotation, making angle measurements effortless and highly repeatable. Here's the question. How many times have you wasted time recalculating awkward angles when working with trim or crown molding? With this protractor, those headaches are eliminated. The readings transfer directly to your saw, removing the need for conversions or recalculations. For added convenience, it even includes reference tables specifically for crown molding, which saves both time and guesswork. At $40, Protractor offers professional accuracy and a rugged, workshop-ready design, a small investment that delivers big results in precision cutting. The Rockler Dust Right Wall Mount Separator is designed to transform a standard shop vacuum into a highly efficient 2-stage dust collection system. By separating debris into 2 chambers, it ensures larger chips and shavings fall into the first bag, while the fine dust particles continue into the second stage. This not only increases efficiency, but also extends the life of your vacuum's filter and motor. The system comes with a 150-liter or 39.6-gallon collection bag, which includes a clear window so you can easily check the fill level without guesswork. Inside, a sturdy metal frame keeps the bag from collapsing under suction, maintaining consistent airflow throughout operation. Here's the question. How much time do you waste clearing clogged filters or replacing vac bags mid-project? With the Dust Right system, that frustration is virtually eliminated. Maintenance is simple. The entire setup comes apart quickly with just a twist, making emptying and cleaning fast and hassle-free. At $270, the Dust Wall Mount Separator is a smart upgrade for any serious woodworker, providing cleaner air, a tidier workspace, and a much more efficient dust collection process. What was your favorite tool? For more content like this, click on the video on the screen.